Hello everyone, welcome to BotPenguin. Today we will discuss how you can edit an existing chat flow on the BotPenguin platform. That is, you can add or remove any component, or you can change the message text, or you can also add or remove any option in any particular component. For editing any existing chat flow, you have to firstly select the bot. On the left hand side, you'll find the bots option. Select your bot from it. For demo purpose, I am selecting this Instagram bot. Then you have to navigate to the Edit Your Chat Flow section. You will land on this page. Here you will also find the option of creating a new flow. If you want to know in detail that how to create a new flow, the video link for the same will be given in the description box below. You can check it out. Here you'll find the list of all the flows that you have already created. To edit any chat flow, you have to click on the flow name. You will land on this page. Here you can see the components that you have already added. You can add any new components from the left hand side. Here you can add any frequently used components, or you can add request information components, or you can also add the send information components, and you can also trigger any action from these. And you can also select the next message from this option. For example, after the please provide your phone number message, I want to add this component, so I'll link it from here. As you can see, the bot has been updated successfully. If you want to edit the message, you can edit it from here. For example, I want to change the text here, so I can do it from here. And it will be updated here. So this is how you can add any component and you can edit any message text from here. And if you want to test your chat flow, you can click on this button. If you need any help, you can refer to our help documentation. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.